when I first did the initial, I did like a one-off to all my clients where we did the text, email, and message.
Yep.
That generated some business. That was good.
Awesome. So I'm assuming that's this past customer quarterly call.
That was the one that we, yep.
So you had 247 people in there, 85 responses. Do you know how many deals you did?
I would probably say 10 or so.
So that's phenomenal.
Yeah, it was really, and the thing is you were doing, I mean, it sounds silly, but I use something called Mighty Text.
Yeah.
And I use Bomb. So the only thing I wasn't doing of those things were obviously the consistent bam, bam, bam.
Yep.
But I was emailing and texting my database, and I was getting business from that. But it was funny that some of these other came in were people that I did that to already, but this system, whatever, I don't know if it's the consistency of a row in the row did it, but I was just like, yeah, you people, I was doing all this stuff.
It is the consistency of the 4 messages back to back.
It has to be. That's the only thing that was really different than really what I was doing, because I was doing text, I was doing my Bomb videos, I was, whatever.
But if you think about it, Tim, your database, that's why we call it the quarterly activator, because if you do it 4 times a year and you've got 250 people, every time you do it, there's going to be another batch of those same people that are going to be ready to go at that particular time. So it's just the consistency of it and everything like that.